Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Beko brand dryer and you're getting an error 03 or an ER3 or an ER03 or an F3 or something like that. The 3 error on the Beko dryer. And you're wondering what this error is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So basically the 3 error is, so the inside it has sensors that sense, you know, how wet the clothes are and how much clothes that are in there and stuff like that. And basically you'll get this error when you try to run the dryer if it's empty. You know, if you've got like one small thing in there or something like that and you're trying to run it, you might end up getting this error. You might just need to add some more things to it to get it running properly and get rid of the error. But anyways, just because it's sensing that the drum is empty when you're trying to make it work. But anyways, so hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.